Hi everyone, today I am going to teach you what is the real number, and in the class 10th mathematics you have to study mainly about the HCF and the LCM. So what is the meaning of HCF and the LCM? You may know well to find how to find the HCF and LCM, but you don't know what is the meaning of HCF and LCM. So all I am going to teach you today. So the first of all I am going to talk about the HCF. So what is the HCF and the LCM and the LCM? LCM, the full form LCM is the highest common factor, and this one is the least common multiple. So let's suppose I get a two number 2 and 4. If I will ask you what is the highest number that will divide both the 2 and 4, largest number that will divide the 2 and 4, you will say the 2, because 2 divides itself 2 and 2 divides the 4, and it is the largest number which divides the both 2 and 4. So this is the largest number which divides the both. So this is called the HCF. I think you understand. The highest common factor, the common factor of this is the 2 and 1, and the common factor of the 4 is the 2 and the 1. We have the 3 common factor, and itself of 4, 2, 4 and 1, and the common factor of 2 is 1. And in which one is the highest and highest common, and which is the common in both? Common means present in both of the factor. So in this factor and in this factor, in both of them factor, we have this one as the largest number. So this is called the HCF of the two number. And what is the meaning of LCM? So let's suppose I get the LCM of 2 and 4. 2 and 4. You may able to answer that 4 is the LCM of this number. What is the meaning of this number? So least common multiple. If I will ask you, tell me a largest number which is divisible by the 2 and 4. Let's suppose the largest number we have the x, which is also divisible by 2 and also divisible by the x is also divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 exactly. So what will be a largest number? So the largest number will be the 4, because 4 is divisible by the 4 and 2 is also divides the 4. So this is why the 4 is the largest number which will divide both the number 2 and 4. So it becomes the LCM or least common multiple. I think you understand what is the meaning of HCF and LCM. And if you understand really the meaning of HCM and LCM, then this chapter is nothing for you.